Imagine this, you're at a coffee shop using their free Wi-Fi. At the exact same time, 50 other people are also connected, checking email, scrolling Instagram, maybe even playing online games. But here's the mystery. How can all these devices use the internet at once when the cafe only has one internet connection? The secret lies in the difference between public and private IP addresses. Hi guys, I'm DHT Ghost and welcome back to the DHT Ethical Hacking Mega Course. Episode number 14, Public versus Private IPs, the secret behind Wi-Fi. Today we'll uncover why your laptop, phone, and even your smart fridge all seem to share the same address online, and why hackers love exploiting that fact. For Mystère, the basics, IP addresses. Every device on a network needs an IP address and its digital identity, but not all IPs are equal. There are two categories, DANS, public IPs. Globally unique, visible on the internet. Think of them like your home's street address. Private IPs are local only, used inside homes, schools, and offices. Think of them like apartment numbers inside a building. Both are crucial, but they serve different purposes. First, public IPs, the global identity. Public IP is assigned by your Internet Service Provider, ISP. It's how websites, apps, and servers know where to send data back to you. For example, when you visit Google.com, Google sees your public IP, not the private one on your laptop. But here's the catch. IPv4 only has about 4.3 billion possible addresses. That might sound huge, but with billions of phones, laptops, and IoT devices, we'd run out fast. That's where private IPs and NAT step in. They're private IPs, the local playground. Private IPs are reserved ranges that never appear on the internet. 10 Road 0.0, 10 255 255 255, 726 0.0, 172 31 255 255. 192, 168, 0.0, 192, 168, 255, 255. Your Wi-Fi router gives each connected device a private IP. Your phone might be 192.168.110, your laptop 192.168.1.11, and your console 192.168.112. They can talk to each other locally but can't go online directly. The magic link, NAT. So how do private IPs talk to the internet? Through Network Address Translation, NAT. The router acts like a receptionist. 1. Your laptop sends a request to YouTube. 2. The router rewrites the packet's source address from private 192.168.111 to the cafe's a public IP. 3. YouTube replies to the public IP and the router delivers it back to your laptop. To YouTube, everyone in the cafe looks like one device, but the router secretly keeps track of who asked for what. This is why you and 50 strangers can share Wi-Fi without chaos. Real-life analogy. Think of a large office building. The street address is the public IP. Each room number is a private IP. When a package arrives, the receptionist, router with NAT, decides which room gets it. Without this system, deliveries would be impossible. Why hackers care. The public-private system creates both security and risk. Obfuscation. Private IPs are invisible from the internet, so attackers can't directly scan your laptop. They only see the public IP. Exploiting. Rogue devices on the same Wi-Fi can still attack local private IPs. For example, in a coffee shop, a hacker could scan 1192.111.68.11 and find your device. Farsis IP spoofing. Attackers can trick routers by forging IP packets. For data correlation, hackers sometimes track public IPs to fingerprint entire households or businesses. That's why firewalls and WPA3 encryption on Wi-Fi are essential. To IPv6, the future. One reason IPv6 was designed was to solve the address shortage. With 340 undecillion possible addresses, every device can have its own public IP, removing the need for NAT. But adoption is still in progress, so today, private IPs remain the backbone of Wi-Fi networks. For you could try it yourself on Windows, open command prompt and type ipconfig. On Linux or macOS, run ifconfig or ipadder. You'll see both your private IP chain and the iDefault gateway, your router. Then Google what is my IP to see your boss public IP. Notice how they're different. That's the NAT magic in action. The big picture. Public IPs connect your network to the world. Private IPs organize the chaos inside your home or office. NAT bridges them, making Wi-Fi sharing possible. Without this system, billions of devices simply couldn't coexist on the internet. This was episode number 14 of the DHT Ethical Hacking Mega Course. I'm DHT Ghost. If you learned something new today, smash like, drop a comment with your private IP range at home. Just the first part, don't worry. And subscribe for more. In the next episode, we'll explore how firewalls work, the internet's security guards. Stay curious, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.